So good morning children. So last class we got discussed up to measurement of electric current. Measurement of electric current. So which is the instrument is used to measure the strength of the electric current? Ammeter. Okay. So ammeter is the instrument is used to measure the strength of the electric current. So what is the SI unit of electric current? Ampere. We should not use capital letter but simple capital letter. Okay. Next one, electromotive force. Next one, electromotive force. So what is mean by electromotive force? So already the electrons are flowing through the wire, okay, in normal way. Okay, suppose we may apply the force. So what will happen? It will move up and down or it will move fast. Okay, so that is called electromotive force. Okay, the short form is what EMF. Okay, electromotive force. Okay, so what is the symbol of electromotive force? Okay, either capital E or epsilon. Okay, so how to pronounce this one? Epsilon. EPSILON. Okay, in Greek language epsilon. So W divided by Q. Okay, W divided by Q. Okay, so how to define the definition for electromotive force? Okay, the electromotive forces of an electrical energy source. Electrical energy source is the work done. W is the work done. Okay, W means what work done. Okay, done by the action of unit positive charge. Okay, the actions means what here driving. Okay, in our textbook one word is given, driving. Okay, driving means what the action of unit positive charge. Okay, action of unit positive charge around the complete circuit. Okay, action of unit positive charge around the complete circuit. Okay, that is called what electromotive force. Electromotive force. Okay, so what is the definition for electromotive force? So electromotive forces of an electrical sources of energy is defined as so W is the work done. Okay, W is the work done by the driving action of. Okay, driving means what the action of unit positive charge around the complete circuit. Okay, so what is the unit of SI unit of electromotive force? Volt. Okay, the SI unit of electromotive force is volt. Okay, so what is the spelling? WOLT. Okay, so next one, so in this way also we will define what electromotive force. Okay, in what way? Okay, if 1 volt of EMF is done by when 1 joule of work done by the 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of positive charge completely around the circuit. Okay, this is the meaning about what 1 volt is equal to 1 joule divided by 1 C. 1 C means coulomb. So 1 volt is equal to joule per coulomb. Okay, joule per coulomb. Okay, this is the definition for what electromotive force. Okay, next one, electrical potential. Okay, so what is the meaning about electrical potential? Suppose if you are passing the electric current through the electrical components. Okay, the electrical component. Okay, whatever may be the electrical component. Okay, electrical potential. Okay, so whatever electrical potential or electrical potential difference or potential difference. Okay, electrical potential or potential difference. Okay, PD. Okay, potential difference. Okay, this is the electrical wire. So if you are passing the electric current, okay, the movement of the flow of electrons. Okay, so we have to measure the potential difference between this end to this end. Okay, we have to measure the potential difference between starting end to ending end. Okay, so the same way, so if you are passing the electric current, okay, the electrical energy it may converted into whatever may be the type of energy, either heating energy or light energy or some of the energy, okay. So this potential difference depends upon, okay, across the electrical device, okay, this potential difference across the electrical device or electrical component in the circuit, okay. The potential difference is represented by the symbol V, okay, so what is the formula? V is equal to W divided by Q, okay, the same formula, okay. What formula we are using in the electromotive force? The same formula we are using here, okay. The SI unit for both EMF and potential is, okay, is the same, that is called volt, okay. VOLT, capital letter V, okay. So this is called what ma? Potential difference or electrical potential, okay. So next one, so how to measure the potential difference? So with the help of, okay, so with the help of voltmeter, we have to measure the potential difference across the electrical components. So dash is the instrument is used to measure the potential difference okay, voltmeter. What is the spelling? VOLTMETER. So voltmeter is the instrument is used to measure the potential difference, okay, across the electrical components, okay. Suppose bulb, okay, so bulb or any other electrical component connected between the electrical source, okay. So what is the difference? In the positive end and negative end? So with the help of voltmeter we can find out. So how to connect the voltmeter in an electric circuit, okay. So voltmeter is an instrument is used to measure the potential difference, okay, to measure the potential difference across an instrument, across a component. Instruments means what ma? Here bulb, okay, that is called component. Here bulb we are taking, okay. So voltmeter must be connected to parallel, okay, okay, here parallel, okay. So next one, positive red terminal, okay, red terminal, negative black terminal, okay, positive red terminal, negative black terminal, okay. So positive red terminal of the voltmeter connected to the positive side of the electrical component. Negative, that means what ma? Black color, okay, okay. The black color terminal is connected to the negative side of the circuit, okay, or electrical component across the, okay, entire entire circuit, okay. So after connecting, okay, we may give the supply, so based on the difference, difference means what ma? Voltage. So we can find out the potential difference between positive and negative terminal. So in this way we have to measure what ma? Potential difference, okay. Next one, resistance. So what is mean by resistance? So what is the symbol of resistance? Capital R, okay, RESISTANCE, resistance. What is the symbol of resistance? Capital R. So resistance is nothing but what ma? It's a measure of, opposition offered by component, the electric component to the flow of the electric current through it, Okay, this is the definition for what ma resistance. So what is the definition? The resistance is the measure of opposition offered by the component. Opposition offered by the component. Components means what ma? Resistance is a resistor. Okay, the entire process is called, okay, that instrument is called a resistor. Okay, that is called what ma? Component. Okay, to the flow of the electric current through it. Okay, so different electrical components offer different electrical resistance. Different electrical resistance. For example, copper, aluminium. For example, copper and aluminium, they have what ma? Negligible resistance. They have negligible resistance. Why? Because they are good conductors of electricity. Okay, negligible resistance. It will not stop the electric current. It will not stop the electric current. Okay, next if you are taking, okay, nichrome, NiCrome, nichrome, tin oxide, okay, glass, rubber, okay, etc. So these materials have what ma? High resistance. So it will not allow the electric current, okay, flow one side to another side. Okay, one side to another side. So they are called as what ma? Bad conductors or insulators. Bad conductors are insulators. Okay, so what is the SI unit of resistance? What is the SI unit of resistance? Ohm. Okay, OHM. So what is the symbol? Okay, so in this way we have to draw. Okay, what is the SI unit of resistance? Ohm. What is the symbol? This one. So how to define the ohm? Okay, so 1 ohm is the resistance of component. 1 ohm is the resistance of the component. Okay, when the potential difference of 1 volt, is applied across the component, okay, across the component devices, a current of 1 ampere through it. Okay, this is the definition for what ma? Okay, resistance. That is called 1 ohm. Okay, 1 ohm. Okay, so different types of resistors we are using in our day-to-day life. So what is mean by resistors? Okay, so components used for providing resistance are called resistors. Okay, so the resistors means what ma? So which components you use acting as a resistance purpose. Okay, that is called a resistor. That is called a resistor. Okay, RESISTORS, resistors. Okay, so different types of resistors are available. Okay, so one is variable, another one is what ma? Fixed. So fixed means what ma? It has fixed value. Okay, variables means what ma? Depends upon electrical components, it will differ. Okay, so that's all. Which one? Resistance is over. Okay, next one, symbol of electrical components. Symbol of electrical components. So what are the symbols are using in an electrical components? Okay, from lower sections onwards we have studied different types of electrical symbols. Okay, next one, electric circuit diagram. Electric circuit diagram. So if we want to draw a circuit diagram, so with the help of bulb or wire, so we may draw the shape of the circuit. Okay, it may differ one place to another place, or it may differ one country to another country. So instead of pictures we may use what ma? Circuit diagram. It will helpful to find out the what are the components we have used in that electric circuit. So there are main 4 components we need. One is cell or battery. Second one, wire. Okay, third one bulb, fourth one load or resistor, load or resistor. Okay, here bulb or sometimes you are giving switch also. Okay, suppose with the help of these components we have to make a circuit. Okay, so there are two types of circuit. One is parallel circuit, another one series circuit. Okay, so in our textbook page number 44, okay, different types of circuit diagram. Okay, different types of circuit diagram, and circuit diagrams means what, ma'am? Okay, so what are the symbols or what are the devices used in the electric circuit diagram with symbols? Okay, one tabular column is given. Okay, the tabular columns with the symbol you have to read it. Okay, one or two times. Okay, so next class we are going to see the what is mean by parallel series, what is mean by series series. So we are going to see in the next class. Okay, so today class. Okay, so today homework. Define potential difference. Okay, define. Continuous question number should be given. Define potential difference. Okay, next one. Define resistance. Okay, define 1 ohm. Okay, define 1 ohm. Okay, next tabulate the difference between EMF and potential difference. EMF and potential difference. Okay, that's all. Today class is over. Okay, the remaining part we will see in the next class. Okay, so thank you children. Thank you.